All right, language explorers. Let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verbs. So, name after. To name something on behalf of something or someone else. I was named after him. We named the dog after them. The boy was named after his grandfather. Yes. We think we should name her after our grandmother. How cool is that? We will name him after you. We will name him after you. Yeah. Yeah, very good. We named you after him. Yeah. I am thinking of a name for him, so we might name him after someone else. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. We're going to name him after your grandfather. Name him. Name him after someone else. Yeah. I should name him after someone else. Yes. We named the boat after them. We named the boat after them. We are not sure what we will name him after. Yeah. Maybe we should have named them after the event. The car was named after the previous owner. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Now, name after. So, can you use name after in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.